Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the Ambit Finance airdrop. This is a project backed by Binance Labs, so Binance is behind it, and this is free to do because you don't need to spend any money on this. This is in the testnet, and like always in my videos we are going to cover a little bit about the project and then step by step on how you can participate, doing all the required actions for this possible airdrop. There's some hint on the Twitter account that give us the sense that maybe could be an airdrop for this project. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, Ambit Finance is an upcoming lending protocol on the BNB smart chain, offering numerous use cases to investors including stable coin yield generation, sustainable lending and more. A couple of important points is that Binance Labs invested 4.5 million during Ambit's seed raise, and there is an official Twitter that could hint an airdrop. Here I put the link, so you are going to be able to go to that link. And this is from Ambit Finance. They put airdrop to early testers, and you can see the emoji that is like thinking about it. So yeah, this was the 1st of August. So this is a hint. The people started to freak out about that in the next days on how they could get that airdrop. But yeah, basically this is why we are covering this video. It's a speculation video, but this for me is a very important hint that we could have an airdrop for this when they launch. In the Twitter account, 34.8 thousand followers. Information about Binance Labs, of course, this is from the 10th of August. Regarding Curve DAO, the information about the testnet going live already the 30th of July, and more tweets about the progress of the protocol. You are going to find all that in the Twitter account. And you also have the Discord, so you will be able to join there, and one of the steps of this airdrop is in the Discord, so I would recommend you to go there. Now that we have some data about Ambit Finance airdrop, let's go to the step by step on how you can apply. The step 1 is follow them on Twitter and Discord. Here you have both links. I already showed you, and one of the things is in the Discord. Follow them on the Twitter and the Discord account. The step 2 is add Binance Testnet chain. So basically this is the Binance Smart Chain Testnet. You can go to this link on chainlist.org. This is going to send you here with the BNB in the search. Click on include testnet, and here you have the BNB Smart Chain Testnet. So click on connect or add if you don't have it. Step 3 is that you need to get BNB Faucet. Here is the link for the testnet of the bnbchain.org. The official page to get Faucet tokens. So you need to get BNB on the Faucet to pay transactions. So you go to that link, you need to click here to complete the CAPTCHA that you are a human. So complete all this. Here you need to put your address and click on give me BNB. The funding request is accepted and you are going to receive that soon. So now you can see here I receive 0.1 TBNB, so the testnet BNB. With this you can pay the gas fees here. Now we go to step 4, which is we connect to the Ambit testnet. So go to the link, which is dev.ambit.finance. Once you go there, you are going to be asked to connect your wallet. So connect to the testnet, click on connect wallet, and you can see I am already connected with this testnet wallet that I use for the videos. Now we go to step 5. The step 5 is that we need to get Faucet tokens for Ambit testnet. You go to the same URL /Faucet, and here you click on mint, and you will get a transaction to confirm that you pay with TBNB. That is why you need it before. Remember, you can do this only once per day, so each 24 hours. Wait the transaction to complete. The transaction was completed, and now you can see that you can mint again in 24 hours. You are going to get a lot of tokens with that mint that are going to help you here for the test. Now we go to step 6, which is go to the portfolio section in the testnet and add the tokens. And be sure to not add all your USDT because you are going to need it. So we go from here to the portfolio section and we click on add assets to your portfolio. And you can see we have all these assets now. So let's add, I will say 50% of all the assets that we have here. You can add the 100% if you want to. These are all transactions and you are testing already adding the supply to your portfolio. Now I can click on supply. The supply is pending still, so we need to wait the confirmation of this transaction. And the supply finish it, and you can see I have the BNB here, one asset listed. So try to do it with another asset that you have here. And now I have wrapped Bitcoin here. So do this to a couple of your assets, and remember that for USDT, don't do it with 100%, just use 50% or less. Now that you added assets to your portfolio, we go to step 7 and we go to deposit section and deposit the rest of our USDT. So from here we go to deposit, and here in deposit click from your wallet, approve unlimited. So we are not asked again to continue doing that and approving it each time. So we are going to give unlimited allowance to the wallet to get these tokens. Remember that after doing the testnet you can go disconnect from the wallet on MetaMask, and then in the allowance page you can cancel that on revoke cash. Let's add the 100% that we have there, confirm, and we already deposit the balance that we have here. You also can withdraw now that you have some, so maybe withdraw, if I have 110, just withdraw 10, so you have that action done. Now we go step 8, which is go to the health and borrowing section and borrow and repay. So we go here, we click on borrow. We are going to borrow 493, a little less, 369. So we are in a health score. So when we click on borrow, the transaction is being processed and the transaction was completed. And you can see I am in the good score here. So I already borrow at the 3.42%. My borrow limit is 4,000, so I can go and repay now. I will skip that and I will just repay the 75%, not all, but the part. So I will approve that, click on confirm, and you can see your liabilities will decrease to 96.46 USDT. And the repay was done correctly too. So we have basically interact with the protocol already. So now that we did all that, we go to step 9, which is leave a feedback in the Discord. So once you join the Discord, you can go here to the feedback section, put some screenshot of your main section where you already did transactions and stuff. You can see nice work, your wallet address, and some screenshot is going to do it. Once you leave the feedback, the step 10 is complete the Zealy task. There's a couple things in Zealy, so you can go to the link there, go to the Zealy, you can join the Telegram. Sometimes these are one-time missions. Then you have some daily missions to spread the word of Ambit Finance, and the special missions, which are start conversation, like and retweet stuff. You can have Zealy invitations if you want, some quiz, and follow the Ambit team members. So you can go here and follow them. So these are the team members of the project. Those are the 10 steps for this Ambit Finance airdrop. This is a project backed by Binance Labs. They put 4.5 million. They probably got more than that in the seed raise. But this is a project to take a look, because maybe we can get the airdrop from this message from the official account. And also it's free to do, and like you saw, it's very easy to apply. If you liked this video, don't forget to go to my cryptocurrencystate.net/videos website. You will see many airdrops there, XRP airdrops, layer 0 airdrops, starknet, Tabi, Tapioca, Nansen. I have everything here, Zksync stuff, Polyhedra, Islamic coin. You can go through pages of airdrops that you can do right now. And if you really want to make the difference, you can check my subscriptions here on the website. You will find my Discord. This is a private Discord. We are killing there with a lot of valuable information about airdrops, BRC20 ecosystem airdrops there. And also you have the subscription to get my app with the Discord. This is an app that I created to register your airdrops and apply to them easily. So you have everything organized. This is going to help you even if you use multiple wallets. So check these 2 videos on how my app works. That will be all guys for this Ambit Finance airdrop. This is a Binance Labs backed project and it's free to do. That will be all and I will see you in the next video. Bye.